Experience the
Volvo built
dawn
its
of a new
reputation
era.
on one
The
powerful
fully
promise:
electric Volvo
safety above
EX90.
everything else. For decades, drivers trusted Volvo to protect families, reduce risk, and engineer smarter protection than anyone else on the road. But modern Volvos are changing in a way many owners didn't expect. Physical buttons are disappearing, and almost everything is now controlled through a touchscreen. Climate control, seat heating, drive modes, defogging, navigation, camera views, and even safety settings often require multiple screen taps. What used to take one quick hand movement now takes visual attention away from the road, and that creates a new kind of risk: distraction.
Continue on the current road.
Several
Prepare to
drivers
exit right
report
in
that
1 mile.
adjusting simple things while driving feels slower and less intuitive than traditional controls. Bright sunlight can wash out screen visibility. Cold weather can reduce screen responsiveness. Software updates sometimes change menu layouts, forcing drivers to relearn basic functions while moving at highway speed. When technology works perfectly, it feels futuristic. But when it lags, freezes, or crashes, even briefly, critical functions can become harder to access. In extreme cases, drivers have reported needing to reboot systems while parked just to restore controls. That's not what people expect from a brand known for reliability and safety. There's also the issue of muscle memory. Physical buttons allow drivers to make adjustments without looking. Touchscreens demand visual confirmation. Even a few seconds of diverted attention can dramatically increase accident risk, especially in traffic or poor weather conditions. Ironically, Volvo's mission is to reduce driver distraction and improve road safety, yet the interface design may be doing the opposite for some users. The goal of cleaner interiors and modern design may be unintentionally sacrificing usability. This doesn't mean Volvo's technology is bad. The screens are sharp, fast, and packed with useful features. Over-the-air updates continue improving performance and adding functions. Many drivers enjoy the minimalistic design and digital experience. But safety is about consistency and predictability, not just innovation. A system that feels great most of the time, but fails occasionally, can create frustration and risk in real-world driving. If you're considering a modern Volvo, it's important to test the interface thoroughly. Try adjusting climate controls while driving. Use navigation, defogging, and seat controls in different lighting conditions. Pay attention to how intuitive the system feels under pressure. Technology should support the driver, not demand attention. Volvo's touchscreen future may look beautiful, but whether it truly improves safety is a question every buyer should consider carefully.